Good morning, good afternoon. Whenever you're viewing this, welcome to week 3. Exciting week. Thank you so much for your participation so far in the hotel development side of it, as well as our first introduction week. This week, as we move forward, we're looking further into hotels and focusing on rooms division. And, it's actually one of my areas of most expertise. I have spent time in the rooms division in both housekeeping and front desk or front of office or front house. And I can say that it's certainly one of the most dynamic departments in the entire hotel. In addition to that, housekeeping is traditionally the largest department in any hotel. So we'll spend a little bit of time thinking through all of the impacts that the rooms division has on the overall well-being of a hotel. So by the end of our time together this week, hopefully you'll be able to identify duties and responsibilities of the different departments within the rooms division. Also, a little bit of math. So we're going to be looking at some of the common areas that need to be calculated, such as occupancy percentage, average daily rate, and RevPAR, or revenue per available room. And then some complexities and challenges of each department within the rooms division. So you'll have a little bit of an activity with doing some calculations and practicing, as well as watching a video at the front desk, a kind of what not to do, which I think sometimes is a little bit of fun. So I hope you enjoy week 3 and the rooms division, and I look forward to learning with you as you conclude the projects. Thank you so much.